Hey there, and welcome to this helpful tech guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable cookies in the DAZN app on your Android phone. This includes turning off functional, targeting, and performance cookies to protect your privacy and reduce unwanted tracking. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the DAZN app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then, select Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down and select Privacy Cookies Preferences. Now you'll see different types of cookies like functional, targeting, performance, and other. Go through each type and turn them off one by toggling the switch next to each option. After turning off all the cookie types, scroll down and tap Confirm Preferences to save your changes. That's it! You've now successfully disabled cookies in the DAZN Android app. If you found this tutorial useful, consider subscribing for more helpful tips on apps, privacy, and tech settings.